Okay, this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to show you how to build one of my wine racks. It's real simple. First things first, parts. You're going to get 4 legs. You're going to get a bag of screws. And you're going to get some shelves. This is what one of the shelves looks like. This is the top side. That's the bottom side. There's a F for the front, and there's a B for the back. There's also just a little bit shorter end on the front ones and a little bit longer end on the back ones. Real easy to identify. You're going to want to take a look at your legs, and you're going to want to pick 2 that you like the best. They're going to be the front legs. And you take those 2, set them aside, grab 1 of each. They're going to have a little longer spot on one and a little shorter on the other. This is the bottom, the short side. Put your front leg in one place, the back leg on the other side. And all you got to make sure is when you start sticking your shelves in that the F goes upside up, front side to the front leg. Insert the shelf in. Get your next shelf. Same thing. Front, up, bottom. Insert it in. Keep the legs tight together. Bottom, front. Insert it right in. You save the top and the bottom shelf for last. You can just lean it up against the next one so it doesn't fall over on you. Same thing with the top one, just lean it in, that way they won't fall over. Take your other leg. We'll go with the front one first. Squeeze it right in.
What's that?
Once you've squeezed it together, you can put the next leg on. Put the legs on. Once it's all tight, you can squeeze it together. Put it on all 4s. Now it's real easy to put the screws in. All you do for the screws, pre-drilled holes, screw them right in. If you screw all 4 corners, you'll be able to flip the rack around in any direction and assemble all the screws. You can find these wine racks at thewinerackco.com. That's thewinerackco.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.